In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your vocals sound professional on Soundtrap. We'll start with the foundation. Recording clean vocals. Find the quietest space you can and face away from reflective walls. If you have a pop filter, use it and keep a steady distance from the mic. About a hand's length is a good guide. In Soundtrap, select your microphone as the input and watch the input meter while you speak or sing at performance volume. Aim for healthy levels that peak around -12 decibels so you're loud enough without clipping. Turn off fans and notifications, take a breath, and give yourself a few takes so you can pick the best performance before you start processing. Next, adjust track levels and gain. Once your vocal is recorded, set the region's gain or the track volume so your vocal sits strong but still leaves headroom. If it's too quiet and you crank the fader, bring up the clip gain instead. If it's too hot, pull it down until the master meter isn't hitting the red. A clean, controlled level makes every effect work better. Now apply EQ to help your vocal stand out. Open Soundtrap's equalizer and start with a gentle high-pass filter to roll off low rumble below around 80 to 100 Hz. If the vocal sounds muddy, try a small cut around 200 to 400 Hz. Add clarity with a subtle boost in the presence range, roughly 3 to 5 kHz, and a touch of air above 10 kHz if it needs shine. Keep moves small, 2 to 3 decibels, and toggle the EQ on and off to make sure you're improving, not just changing the sound. Then use compression to smooth dynamics. Load a compressor and set a moderate ratio, like 3:1 or 4:1. Lower the threshold until you see about 3 to 6 decibels of gain reduction when you hit louder words. Use a medium attack so transients stay natural, and a medium release so the voice breathes. Add makeup gain to match the original loudness, and listen for an even tone without pumping. Add reverb to create space. Pick a small room or plate preset. Set a short pre-delay, around 20 to 40 milliseconds, to keep the vocal forward and keep the mix low, often 10 to 20%. Shorten the decay if things get washy, and aim for a sense of space rather than obvious echo. Finally, balance with the mix. Bring the instrumental down first, then raise the vocal until it's clearly on top without overpowering key elements. Check on headphones and speakers, watch the master meter to avoid clipping, and make tiny adjustments until everything feels cohesive and polished. Save your project, trust your ears, and you're done.